Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build a Cross, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this mosaic cross. This is a paint by line, so all the lines you see are etched into the cutout, so you don't have to worry about freehanding. And I'm going to be using my very favorite colors out of the Dixie Belle collection. And so far I've used peony, that's the bright pink. I'm going in with soft pink, the lighter pink color. I use sea glass, which is that blue-green color, limeade, and then I will be going in with the color peacock and painting some more sections here. And I am using the number 12 flat brush from the pack that we saw on the website. It is the largest brush. And if you feel like you need to go down to a smaller brush to get into some of the grooves, absolutely do that. Also, you can purchase this paint as well as the cutout all on buildacross.com. And then the last color I'm going to go in with is the Gulf. And the Gulf and Sea Glass are probably tied for my very favorite colors. They're beautiful and I always enjoy using them. And then once I'm done base coating, I'm actually going to go in with a heat gun and dry everything so that I can go in with a Sharpie brushstroke marker. But if you feel more comfortable just waiting and letting it dry, you can do that as well. Just give it plenty of time, because if you use the Sharpie marker on wet paint, it will ruin your marker and your lines won't be very smooth. So you just want to make sure it has a completely dry surface to adhere to. So I'm just going to be using this Tecpo heat gun. You can buy it on Amazon. So far, I've been really impressed with it. But I haven't tried any other kind of heat gun. I will say I absolutely love having one because it makes my process much quicker, not having to wait on things to dry. So I definitely really like it. Now I'm going in with my Sharpie brushstroke marker, and I'm just going to go over all the lines that are etched into the cutout. So this is kind of just making everything pop and helping each color to kind of stand out from each other. And then I chose not to highlight this cutout, but you absolutely could if you wanted to. So after I get done outlining, I'll actually be done. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.